Resetting your Xumo Streambox can fix common issues like freezing or app crashes. There are two main reset methods. Soft resets restart the device without losing data, while factory resets wipe all settings and data. With a remote, for a soft reset, press the power button for 5 seconds. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then System, Reset Options, and select Factory Reset using pin 0000. Without a remote, locate the Reset button on the back of the box and press it with a paper clip for 10 to 15 seconds to perform a factory reset. Always try a soft reset first, since it preserves your data and settings. For a soft reset with the remote, simply press the power button on your Xumo remote for 5 seconds. To factory reset using the remote, navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and select Factory Reset. You'll need your PIN, which defaults to 000. Without the remote, locate the small reset button on the back of the box, usually labeled Reset. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds for a hard reset, restoring the device to factory settings. After any reset, unplug the device for 30 seconds. Remember, resetting doesn't affect your Comcast account, but you may need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and relink your apps.